Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies from the 4 different types of colleges. And here the non-teaching vacancies are also there. And there is opportunity for the PG candidates with UGCNET or without UGCNET and with PhD or without PhD. Fine. Let us see the details regarding all these 4 colleges advertisements. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, the first college is a Srinidhi Educational Group. Okay, and here it is presented in the Hyderabad. Here the official website is also mentioned. So SNIST invites applications for faculty of all cadres with MTech or PhD or MA with NET or SLET or SET in all branches. So coming to the department, CSE, IT, ECE, ECM, EEE Mechanical English. So salaries are as per the 6th pay scale. For deserving candidates, higher start will be offered. And please mail the CV with photocopies of qualifications and experience and list of papers published or patents or research products from funding agencies, Aadhaar card, PAN card and proof of last drawn salary. Okay, and about the college, the details are given here. Interested candidates may apply on or before 23rd March 2021 and interviews shall be held at Hyderabad for shortlisted candidates. Candidates have to mail their updated CV to hr@srinidhi.edu.in along with the original scan certificates. So for any help or if you're having any queries regarding this advertisement, and here the contact number is also provided. So have a look on this number guys. Okay, the 2 contact numbers are provided. And coming to the second college is the Vasavi College of Engineering. So it is autonomous and it is also located in Hyderabad. And here the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are there from these departments mentioned here. So coming to the assistant professor, here the vacancies are there from CSE, ECE, EEE, IT, Mechanical Civil, Mathematics, Chemistry, Environmental Sciences, English, Economics and Accountancy. Okay, so the qualifications are as per the AICTE regulations, and few here administrative as well as other posts are also mentioned, and the non-teaching posts are also there. That is the lab assistant and the lab technician and the computer assistant. Right. So the details regarding the qualification, experience and the specialization, pay band, salary, application form, etc. for teaching positions, and the detailed information regarding the application form and salary, etc. you may visit the official website, that is www.bce.ac.in. So in this official website you will get all the details guys. So filled in application along with the photocopies of relevant certificates and other documents should be sent by post or courier or else in person so as to reach the undersigned within 15 days of this notification. So this advertisement got today only, so 18th March plus 15 days. Okay, and the next college is Vidya Vikas College of Arts and Science. So here assistant professor vacancies are there from the departments Accountancy and Finance, Management, Foundation course, Mathematical and Statistical Techniques and Business Communication, Economics. Okay, Computer System and Application, and assistant professor in the Bachelor of Mass Media, Social Science or the technical subject and Physical Education, as well as a librarian. Okay, so have a look on this college guys. It is from Gujarat. Okay, and here the required minimum qualifications for the post of principal is given, and for the coming to the assistant professor, so good academic record with at least 55% of marks in the post graduation, as well as that one UGCNET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, and so application with full details and self-attested copies of mark sheets, certificate and other relevant and applicable testimonials, okay, should reach the principal Vidya Vikas Education Trust, Vidya Vikas College of Arts, Science, Commerce, okay, Malad, Mumbai. So please specify the designation, okay, for which you are applying on the envelope within the 15 days of the date of publication of this advertisement. Okay, so coming to this one, so just search down for this college in the net guys and have a look on this advertisement once, and if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, you will get the contact number in the official website of this one, then you may contact them. Okay, so total these are the 3 different advertisements. Okay, so from these 3 the different vacancies are there. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide